Welcome back to In the Office with Light Pong, our attempt to transparently document the process of our startup working to launch our first consumer hardware product. Welcome. Recently, the Light Pong team made 2 new hires to build our mobile app. Here's our founder talking about it.
We are starting 2 more people this coming Monday to help us on the full stack development side of things. So we hired this one guy from Pakistan, his name is Talha, and this other guy from New York whose name is Giuseppe. We're hiring all these people to help us with the app development.
One challenge for our software team when it comes to building the app has been working with Apple's terms and conditions for the App Store. Here is Raj, one of our developers, talking about it.
So one of the most challenging part for us now is to go through the Apple terms and condition, because it has so much. We have to go through each and every one of them and try to change those, make those changes in the app. Like the stuff that doesn't go with Apple and terms and condition, they're going to reject the app. So I guess that researching part is like very core to us right now.
Approximately 8.5 to 9 inches. Now I know if I do like this, approximately 8.5 to 9 inches.
Here's an inside sneak peek into our team discussing wireframes and user flows for the mobile app.
I think it should probably be reset settings or something, or reset. Restore makes it, when I read that, I was like, oh, I'm restoring a backup.
Oh, okay.
That was the first thing that came to my mind.
Yeah.
Well, because I'm thinking about it now, like, this is going to be awesome. I can just pass this to our software architect, and they'll have an instant understanding of what we're building.
Yeah.
So then, like, when brightness, audio, and vibration are accessible in this, then you can also access in their brightness, vibration, and audio. But
Yes.
the idea is that then it's like more in-depth control.
Here's our UI UX designer talking about what's interesting about his position in Light Pong so far. We took a little look at all the UI stuff you did with the mobile app.
Mm-hmm. As of lately, I've just been putting together some screens for prototyping.
What would you say is exciting about working on the app?
You get to make decisions for how the app is experienced. I mean, that's like my role.
Potentially big things, because we're still small, so you get to have these big influential decisions.
Yeah, for sure.
So tell us about your experience.
It's fun. It's fun to document the team. I really enjoy how much we're documenting everything that we're doing with Light Pong. I think it's quite unique, actually. While creating this video, it's been Talha and Giuseppe's first day at Light Pong. But the onboarding process into Gather, the virtual office particularly, has been a little weird for them. Are you excited about anything? Are you nervous about anything?
I'm not sure actually, that because the culture is a little different, because this Gather, what's that Gather platform? So it's I'm not sure actually.
I think you just spoke to the new hires today. How did it go? What is your first impression?
Well, it's only day 1. There are definitely some growing pains associated with the virtual office.
Light Pong's the next big thing, man. Look out, watch out. Our CTO, Graham, has been going at it pretty much all day for the last couple days, trying to fix our 3D printer to print new handle models. Here is Graham persistently trying to fix it, working through accumulating frustration.
It's still jammed.
Why is the printer...
We're having some issues with it. It's jamming up. Oh man, it's good. I don't want to deal with this at all today. And that's no bueno.
And what is going on this morning?
I'm crying. We just left this print to run overnight, and this is the second time this specific print has failed at this. How about just no top? Still fails. With everything, works perfectly. So it's probably something to do.
If this were the last time you could talk about the 3D printer, what would you tell the people of Light Pong about this 3D printer? Thanks for watching. We'd really appreciate it if you were to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I'm sure you've heard that from a million other YouTube channels, but as a smaller channel right now, we'd really appreciate the early support. Thanks again.